Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Lexus CT200h. This is a 2013, and basically I took it for an MOT today, and while checking the windscreen washing jets at the MOT, the driver's side was very weak. So basically let's have a look at this. So the passenger side giving you plenty of water, the driver side almost nothing, and I've been messing around trying to clean it and whatnot. That's why it's probably working a little bit, but ultimately I figure out I need to let's switch this off. Ultimately, after looking at all the hoses, there is only one hose coming from the tank through here that goes into this little divider here, and this little thing, this little valve here, divides the fluid that goes to the passenger and driver's side, and it's not passing too much water through here, so I'm gonna be needing one of these. Now, to access this area here, you need to remove this panel. This panel is gonna be sitting up here. Those two little flaps there will be sitting inside those holes, and this will be held in up there by some plastic clips, these clips. And when you take these clips out with perhaps one of these, you will find that a lot of them break. So there is about 7 of those, and they do seem to snap. The other thing is to remove, I removed everything because I was cleaning the jet as well, but the jet is fine. I connected this jet to that side, and this is working fine, so we don't need to remove that. I'm gonna fit it back, in fact. So basically that just pops out, you have to pull it out, but you have to be careful because it's plastic and it may break. As well as this thing is really brittle. When I was removing the clips, it just sort of started breaking apart a little bit. Even this bit here, it just broke. And like I said, when I was removing the clips, these parts became very weak. So be very careful when removing that. Luckily still in one piece. I'm gonna glue that with some Evo stick, and hopefully it'll be sitting back properly. But to remove this hose here, if you have a very small screwdriver, you can push these hoses out. Because I took them out, they might just come out, or they might not actually, but nevertheless they literally just pull out. That just jumped some water in my face, so they pull out. I may have to use 2 hands for that one. Okay, I got it out. So this sponge will be sitting on top of that. So you might not be able to see the connection, but the connection is there. You just need to get your little screwdriver and separate it. Like I said, I already used my screwdriver, so that's why I was able to pull it like that. Now somehow this little thing must have some springs or something inside that divide the pressure, and is gone potty, because I also tried cleaning this. I blew air through it and everything, and it's just still the same. It improved a little bit, but it's not good enough for the MOT, because I have to take it back so they can check that. So I'm gonna order one of these, and we'll see how we get on. Hopefully that will be the issue, but there's nothing else in between this hose, because this is the supplying hose, and then we have that and that, and if these two are working fine, then the only culprit can be this. Okay, so I've got the new little valve here, and hopefully that's going to solve the issue of the jets here. So it'll be a matter of pushing these into the hoses. Obviously easier to do it with two hands. But if I can at least push them a little bit, we can at least see how the jets are working now. I just need to get the key. Okay, got the key. Hopefully this will sort out the issue of the jets. Let's get this on. And that's it. We now have two jets spraying. Plenty of water. So if you discover you have a similar problem and one of your jets it's spraying more than the other, just have a look at this little valve here. So having said that, that's obviously a bit of residual there. Having said that, hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. This little valve, by the way, was around 5 quid from eBay, made in China. So I don't know how good it's gonna be. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video.